What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So, Huawei just shocked everyone with the release of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro way before the actual launch event. Well, it all happened without any advertisement or any teaser. Huawei just went ahead and revealed the entire Huawei Mate 60 Pro online. Actually, Huawei revealed this letter which says that the company is actually celebrating the shipment of 100 million Mate series, and that is why they are launching the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Pioneer program. Well, this program will allow customers to buy the Huawei Mate 60 Pro unit ahead of its official unveiling. However, the units may be limited based on the current booking scenarios. Anyway, this is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro in all of its glory. Well, genuinely, this smartphone looks gorgeous to me and I'm really excited to buy this phone, but right now it's not available in the country where I live. But the first thing you will notice is these 3 punch holes in the top center. Well, basically, it's a camera in the center plus facial recognition sensors, and yeah, you can turn this to a smart capsule with a single click in this setting. Anyway, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro sports a 6.82-inch OLED screen with a screen resolution of Full HD Plus 2720 by 1260 pixels. The screen sports 1.07 billion colors and the P3 white color gamut sports 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. Talking about the rear side though, this is where things looks quite interesting. I really like this new design. Well, there are 4 rear cameras inside that wide circle. Well, this includes a 50 megapixel ultra variable camera plus 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera plus 48 megapixel ultra macro telephoto camera which sports 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom, which is like crazy, and it has a 13 megapixel front camera. And you know what? The Huawei Mate 60 Pro became the world's first phone that will support the calling through satellite, which is my top feature. Plus, there are plenty of rumors which suggest that the phone do support 5G again, and it is featuring the current chipset. Well, I'm making a dedicated video on it as well, so make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified for the next special video. So yeah, what do you think about this surprisingly powerful phone? Well, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.